Yeah, so the trickster tradition goes is can be connected to what we talked about in Genesis 12 to 25 with the Abraham story, with the idea of laughter that runs throughout the whole story and is really, that central scene in Genesis 17, the covenant scene, right? So laughter and trickery, deception. Again, these are not the common things that we associate with faith moments, but these are the moments we're going to get in this text, and this is what is included, in the text. These things could have been taken out, right, by the editors after the fact, right? But they keep it in, right? And they keep it in definitely for a reason, that these are not contradictions. These are not, uh, um, you know, things that don't belong there, that these are central to the idea of faith, at least to the idea of Hebraic monotheism, right? And so they challenge us, right? Especially if we're coming from later monotheistic traditions uh, that are, find it maybe difficult to morally sort of comprehend what's going on. We have to understand that, these stories were put there for a reason. They were put there to serve the idea of faith, and we want to, but it's not faith that's going to be made easy by any means. Rebecca is matriarch, so we're going to see Rebecca here really come to the fore even more than Sarah. She will play a central role uh, uh, in the next couple chapters. We're also going to see monotheism and um, and polytheism, paganism being juxtaposed. Uh, so again, showing the struggle, right, and showing some things which are pretty questionable if you're a monotheist, right? Uh, and we'll take a look at those when we get to it. The 12 sons. Jacob will produce 12 sons, which will be the 12 tribes of Israel. Very fruitful. We finally get the fruitful and multiplying aspect, which was promised with Abraham. And man, does it are they really fruitful in these chapters here. So the 12 tribes of Israel, they will at the end of Genesis, they will be led by Joseph into Egypt, and then the next book, the book of Exodus, some 400 years later, will pick up the story with the story of Moses. We will. Yeah, let me hold that thought. I'll go to that the next slide.